Welcome back to the 911 Turbo. A lot has happened since the last video, and in this one you're going to see it through to completion. So let's have a quick run through of what we've been up to, some of the decisions that have been made, and show you this fantastic project in a bit more detail. We're now inside the cabin. We've got new door panels that have been fabricated. We're just waiting for the replacement door pockets, and then these can get trimmed in the white leather and the black leather on the door pockets and the door cappings. The dashboard has also been trimmed in the black leather, and we're just finalising using some pictures of the car when it was new, exactly how the lower half was trimmed, because there's a bit of a debate of whether it should have been in the white or the black leather. So you'll see that a bit later on. We've also started the back seats. They're looking absolutely stunning in this white leather, and we've recreated a lot of the panels for the interior to get that perfect fitment that we strive for here at O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. If you look down into the footwells, you'll see we've got this fantastic fluffy carpet. We did quite a lot of research and spent many hours trying to get exactly the right style of carpet for this very particular era of Porsche turbos. We worked with a marque specialist who has a very original 930 turbo from the same year, and we used his carpet, studied it closely, and then found this and have gone with it to follow the factory specification of this car, which was a special order interior of white leather and light brown carpets. We also put a lot of time to research to get the correct perforation and material for the headlining. That involved purchasing a few research books and doing a lot of in-depth research to get that perforation pattern exactly right for this era of car. Jason's been working on the front seats. As you saw in the previous video, the front seats were massively over padded, so we couldn't really use the patterns from those seats to recreate the new ones. What Jason did is he took good templates of the new seat foams that we've installed. He's then made a set of front seat covers out of some black leather we had from an old project, just to test the fitment, and from that he was able to refine his patterns and make them so that when we transfer it to the white special order leather, it's a sort of one hit, no mistakes, and then we get that perfect result that we're looking for.
You join me on the bench. This is part of the dashboard. It's a speaker grille. It was quite simple to retrim. We just glued the lever across the top, turned it over and punched straight through the original holes. Upon turning it over, you could see that the holes were a bit wavy, probably done by a person manually, maybe on some kind of punch, but it wasn't good enough. And I know if I was the owner of this car, it would wind me up no end. So we've remanufactured that panel with all the lines straight and perfect, but still keeping in mind that they're handmade. Under a microscope, I'm sure it could be improved, but it's much better than the original. And we've done a bit of research looking through books and stuff, and they're pretty much all like that.
So the next time you're going to see this car, it's going to be sat on the Concours lawn in London, being shown off for the first time a few days after we're finished with it. It's going to be a real push for the team to get it there on time, but we're up for the challenge and we're going to make it happen. So you join us at the London Concours. We're here with the 911 Turbo. We got it here on time. It was a push at the end to get it all done, but it looks absolutely magnificent sat here. We'll just show you around the car and hope you enjoy it.